Hey guys, welcome back. So my mailman just left and he left me my DEK Designs sub box for October. This is their 7th anniversary, so this box is supposed to be like super amazing, which I do believe. Sorry about that. That I had mentioned in all the ads, so I hope you guys grabbed it. If you did, let me know in the comments what you think of it, but I'm gonna pull this out and we're gonna see what the heck is in here. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff in here and I don't necessarily know what it is, so I start with what we always do. So DEK Designs, thank you for 7 years. October subscription is fun planner related items with a little spook. We are loving the pastel color with black accents and can't wait to see all your creations. Stay safe, sane, and well planned. Love, Dawn, Emily, and Katie. Oh, they weren't kidding, there's black stuff in here. That's my favorite. Okay, what do we got? No way! Look, look! It's a pin! Oh my god! That's so cute! I love that. Okay, so we've got our monthly. Ooh, we're gonna have to pull that out. There's like a planner on there. What else we got in here? That's a giant pen. That is a giant pen that's like those things we used to play with when we were kids. Believe it or not, even as an adult, I will sit and play with these things. So yeah, that's an excellent pen. Good choice. Right, let's just get it all out. This plastic is bothering me. Okay. I hope I didn't just hit you guys in the head. We've got giant black bow with adhesive on the back. And we've got three rolls of washi. Okay, so we've got the pink striped with the silver foil accents and the blue. That's really pretty. And we've got rainbows, is that foil? With little silver foil dots, which hopefully you guys can see. And Boo Bear. I think we have Boo Bear. I think it's Boo Bear. Is this Boo Bear? Or is this the other one whose name I keep forgetting? Shoot. What's her name, guys? Bun Buns. Is this Boo Bear or Bun Buns? I'm going to have to ask someone and I'll pop the answer on the screen. I want to say it's Bun Buns, but I'm not sure. I mean, I see a bow. It must be. Alright, so we've got like highlighters and pens, binder clips. Oh, this is cute. Okay. We'll open those and swatch them and stuff in a little bit. What are you? Oh my god, they're killing me. They're killing me. Okay, so we've got an adhesive pocket, which you guys know I love. And it's got spooky on it. And then it's got more stuff stuffed inside it. Oh my god. Okay. Like, can you see I like can't get the stuff out? This is how exciting this is. Okay, so we've got black glitter strips. It's like micro glitter. I hope you guys can see how cool that looks. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up though. And then we've got that prism overlay with an October calendar. And this is a die cut sticker. And we've got a monthly tracker with the overlay. And it's a die cut sticker. And then we've got silver micro glitter strips. How cool are those? Oh my goodness. Okay, that's awesome. They said this was going to be awesome, but you know, people tell you that and then you get stuff. This is so far awesome. Okay, so our monthly kit, and already we've got extra stuff here because we got one of the bears. I don't know which one. That's definitely extra stickers, and this feels more heavy than usual. What are you? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so it says things, and these are like patches. Oh my god, this is adorable. You just like put all your stuff in here, or... Oh wow, that's neat. This will be great for Go Wild. That's cool. Oh yeah, who's going to Go Wild? General admission... Yeah, can't talk today. General admission tickets go on sale on September 29th. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, all right, now we got our paper. All right, I think that's the end of the surprises. All right, so we've got this kind of painted but chip paint kind of pattern going on here. And we've got some very bold stripes on the back. very bold stars. And a crisscross of all these pastels. And we've got this purple pattern. And we've got this. I'm not sure what it is, but it's cute. What are you? Okay, so we've got a shiny sheet of little ghosts that say, "Hey Boo." And it's single-sided. That's cute. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so now we've got these really cool rainbows and stuff on the black background. I like that one a lot. And then we've got this kind of pale watercolor, water splotches kind of thing going on back here. This really, yes, this is really blank on the back. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because this is an extra. So like instead of vellum, we got that, which is cool. I like that. That is very cool. Ah! There's the one that's there. Okay. Alright. We've got paper. We've got cool pens. We have an adorable pen. Washi. Cool bag. Alright. We looked at this already. This is so cool. Alright, so now we've got stickers. We've got lots of stickers. Alright, we'll start with the monthly kit. And I promise the monthlies are coming up, like, you know, at the beginning of October this year instead of, this month, instead of, almost the end of the month like September did. Come out of the bag. You can do it. It's not the bag, it's me and my stupid band-aids. Okay. Silver sparkle foil is one of my favorites. Silver sparkle hollow, sorry. Pumpkins, little ghosts, October 2022, bill dues, paydays, another bill due, another payday, rent and mortgage. Cool. Alright, so here's our tops, and it looks like, yeah, everything is cut right, so that's not going to be a problem. Got bottom washi down here. Look at, like, the planners and the open planner. Like, that's like one of those fuzzy top pens. Got the date dots, decorative corners. Okay, so we've got, like, this little sheet. So, currently reading, currently watching, currently listening, more bill dues. Rainbow on a pedestal. I don't, neon light maybe, not sure. Target bags, scissors, push pins, either planners or books, not sure. Paper trimmer, someone's head full of pencils, somebody's planner, tape, boss lady, stickers. Still don't know which bear that is. And all this other stuff that you guys can see just fine. Alright, and then we've got our sidebar, an extra box, a list box, and then these boxes for filling up the empty spaces or decorating with as you wish. So that is awesome. And then we've got the bag of what they call extras. So here's our Octobers, and then our pattern swishies that match all the paper that can go with the kit. And then we've got these little accented, like, frame box stickers, torn corners and bullets, and little Halloween desktops. Wish I could make my computer look like that, but there's usually, like, paper everywhere and pens. So. My back. Okay. Alright, so that's the extras, and they are super cute. And now we're going to see the main kit. So, if this box doesn't convince you that you want us a box from DEK, I don't know what will. Because you guys have been seeing these since December or January of last year, and they're just bomb. They're the best. Okay, so we've got our little bear stickers. I still don't know which one is which. I really think it's Bun Buns, though, because there's a bow. Alright, so we've got our regular words and our date dots in black. And we've got silver sparkle hollow foil everywhere. Okay, look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, so wow. Must buy more stickers. Yes, just got to write in there from DEK. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love this. We've got the plan on the iPad. There's a little keyboard there, an iPen, page flags, push pins. And we've got like balloons in the foil, banners, stars. There's a planner. See, it's a fuzzy pen. There's a party hat. There's DEK sticker kit down here. That is like the coolest setup. I wish I could do something like that. That is cool. Okay, so I'm assuming this is some kind of like neon light because here it is again. And I'm not sure if that's a printer, a Cricut, or a hole punch. Oh, I can't tell. Some sort of machine. So this is the first 9 boxes, and then there are 3 headers down here. Here are the next 9 boxes. Wow. It's so cool. So cool. I love this. This is awesome. This is so cool. Look, the priority mail. And undo. Oh, I love this. Oh, the washi. Oh my god. This is so cool. Alright, so now we've got our flags up here. We've got the half circle. Half circles, they've got foil. We've got too many work stickers. 12 of them. We got 12 bows in 3 colors. And they've all got the silver sparkle hollow foil. And we've got more boxes. We've got decorative boxes. We've got headers. We've got decorative / useful boxes with the, it's got the like flower lace half circle in it, but you can write around here, and it's got the foil, it's got the balloons. We got streamers, we got stars. It's like the 3rd time I've seen the book lineup. I love that. Habit trackers, small headers, bigger boxes to write in, smaller boxes down here, and then a bunch of hexagons so that you can, you know, decorate as we do all the time. Oh boy. Okay, hold on. Okay, so now we've got our headers, and it's all the usual words: to do today, exercise, work this week. We've got 3 colors of glitter headers. We've got the weekend banner, 5 3-heart checklists. They are not flag shaped, so they're just checklists. And then you've got 3 flags down here, and that full banner. And this is cool. Oh man, I love this. Okay, so you've got the 6 3-heart checklist, the 6-heart checklist, the clipboard, the Monday through Sunday, the swishy things, then the long banner, and 3 pink little flags over here. Look how pretty. Alright, and now we've got the rest of the month worth of day covers. And they're all on different backgrounds, but they are all the same font with the script over them in foil. So they look like the same font. Alright, and then this would be for your main week. So you've got your day covers, your arch, your hexagons, top and bottom washi. Look how cute this is. And we've got all our extra boxes, fake post-it notes, little stitched ovals, squiggly doodle boxes. And we've got our sheet of deco. So this is all stuff that we saw through this kit. Bigger Target bags, tassels, scissors, the bear of unknown origin until I figure it out. Pens and markers, sticker kit, planners, iPads, undo. You guys can see all of this, right? You can see how cool this is. And then we got people. We've got people. All kinds of people, but we have people. And glasses. Okay, did I do everything? I think we did everything. Well, let's do the washi. Oh my goodness, look how cute. I think that's probably my favorite. Just right off the bat, that is probably my favorite. like in terms of cuteness. In terms of usefulness, probably either this one, which is really pretty, or this one. As soon as I find the end. Okay. How cute these are. They all have foil. They're all shiny. They're not overpowering in any way. And they're stinking cute, guys. Stinking cute, really. Okay, maybe this is Boo Bear. Here's Boo Bear with a bow on a package I haven't unboxed for you guys yet. I don't know. I'm going to ask. Something tells me now that it's Boo Bear. I didn't know Boo Bear. I thought Boo Bear was a boy. I'm very confused. Okay, so anyway, this box is particularly, like, super extra special because it is their 7th anniversary, which is why we were hyping it so much and for so long. But the monthly sub is normally just as good. There's a couple of extras in here, you know, for the anniversary. But if you are unfamiliar and have never seen one of these videos before, I have an entire playlist of all my unboxings of DEK sub boxes, and you can go back and check those out and see pretty much what they're normally like, which is most of this. That's my dog. So there's the main kit and the dots. This is extra. Usually there's like die cut sticker extras. These are technically die cut stickers. This is usually the monthly kit. And this is usually extras with some die cut stickers, but hold on. This month's die cut stickers are in here, you know, and foil stickers. But they're in here. And we got our cool pocket. We have this awesome bag. The pen that I'm going to sit here and play with for like an hour after I'm done filming this video. The adhesive bow and all the very cool paper. There's the other side of that one. Yeah, like that's just awesome. So it's Halloween. It's not Halloween. It is fun. It is good for Pinktober. It is perfect, in my opinion. So that's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.